Hi friends, welcome to this week's weekly challenge. In this week's weekly challenge, we are supposed to maintain a list of people who would like to subscribe to our newsletter. So here's what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to make a new worksheet and color its tab as red, change the name of the tab to No Contacts, transfer the same column headings, that is attendee, email and add to newsletter, into the no contact worksheet, and then remove the people from the sheet who either don't want our newsletter or didn't include an email address. So go ahead, pause the video, download this Excel file and try to resolve this solution. Later on, come back over here and I will show you how to resolve this solution. So now let us begin the process. We'll click on this plus sign to create a new sheet. Now we want to give the new sheet a heading like no contact. So we double click on the new sheet and give the heading no contact. Then we change the color of the tab to red. For that, we right click on the tab, select tab color and select bright red. Then we come back to our original sheet and highlight the heading attendee email add to newsletter, copy it, come into a new sheet and then paste it over here. In order to maintain the same format, we come to sheet 1, we click over here to select the entire worksheet and click on the format painter. Then we click on no contact sheet and click over here. So now the format adopted by both the sheets are the same. Now I come to sheet 1 and we will first sort this data based on add to newsletter. So I'll click in this column, then I'll click on data and select sort A to Z. Now these are all the people who do not want to subscribe to my newsletter. So I'll select all of them like this and then I'll press Ctrl X to cut from here. Then I'll click on no contact sheet, click over here and Ctrl V to paste. Again come to sheet 1, right click over here and select delete rows. Now there are certain examples in which people have not given their email addresses, and these are also the people who don't want the the newsletter. Also over here you can see there are people who have not written yes or no, but they have written their email address. So we'll assume that they need the newsletter. So next what we'll do, we'll click on the email column, select sort A to Z, and now we'll scroll down. So these are the people who have not given the email address. So we select all of them, we press Ctrl X, we come back to our no contact sheet, go at the bottom and paste it over here. And we are done. Now this is a sheet in which we have list of people who want to subscribe to our newsletter, and this is the sheet in which we have list of people who do not want to subscribe to our newsletter, or they have not provided us their email address. Hope you have learned something new in this week's weekly challenge. We'll see you again in the next week with a new challenge. Till that time, goodbye and have a great day.